My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I'm a former agent. I've been worked thousands of cases. It's before dinner, so I decided to make some of my YouTubes tonight. Thank you for listening. Subscribe to my channel later. Oh, but people ask why. Why do you have subscribe? Well, believe it or not, YouTube values people that have subscriptions. That's how this works, believe it or not. It's not so you have to listen to every video. The more you have, the more YouTube believes that you're more popular, and they try to get the word out about you. So today, at IRS a number of years, too long, and I want to talk to you about what influences a tax audit. You really need to know that. I have been doing this 52 years now. I've been saying 51, 52 years. Just stinko tax returns, and they're prepared lousily. They haven't been prepared with forethought. The person sending them in is just sending them in based on your numbers, and they're not looking at the 30,000-foot picture, and you need to do that. If not, you're going to get probably on IRS's audit list. Good tax preparer, especially if you're a former IRS agent, you know what returns are going to get audited because the returns out of balance. You see people who have made $20,000 income with $30,000 losses on Schedule C. Well, that doesn't fly. You look at the compensation on corporate returns and says there's no way that's possible. You look at expenses versus income, no way that's possible. The returns just do not make sense. Now, you may be hearing this and say, well, you're not really giving me a lot. Well, that's really a lot because you have no idea the garbage that we see that really floats in here, and the garbage that's being put out by other people. Your return must make common sense. If it doesn't make common sense, there's a chance IRS is going to flag the return, and it's going to kick off the DIF score, discriminatory index function score, and then you're going to have an IRS audit, all because whoever prepared your return wasn't smart enough to say, something isn't making sense here. This is probably going to get audited by IRS. Let's take a closer look. So I just want you to know, if your return's making sense, you have nothing to worry about if you get audited. However, if you're looking at your own return and say, gee, I hope that goes through, you're probably going to get a nasty gram in the mail one day. Anyway, if you need us for representation or to audit proof your return, always use former IRS agents. Why? We know the system. Always. We do. We've lived it. We've been in it. We know what's every single drawer. Give me a subscription if you would. Thank you so much. You can always email me. I'm available for representation or shoot me a text. Thank you.